The Economics Network is well known for its high quality and hands-on training for both lecturers and teaching assistants all over the UK. My name is Christian Spielmann, and I'm from the University of Bristol. And I'm joined today by Ralph Becker from Manchester University. Hi, Ralph.
Hi, Christian.
So Ralph and I are the training leads at the Economic Network. And in this video, we would like to introduce you to the training opportunities from the Economics Network for 2020 and 21.
Normally, during October and November, we would run several day-long workshops for graduate teaching assistants in different locations across the country. Our workshops are based on cutting-edge pedagogy and are aimed to smooth your transition to teaching. This year, however, COVID-19 doesn't allow us to run workshops in its usual format. Instead, we redesigned our workshops into several smaller online modules and integrated many useful aspects around online education.
So, Ralph, could you tell us a bit more about how the workshop is really different to the workshops we have run in the past? What are the changes?
Yeah, so instead of running a whole day workshop, we have taken the different parts of these workshops and created the shorter modules. Each module will consist of some asynchronous activity and is then followed up by a synchronous live session in small groups. In the asynchronous part, you will be asked to read something, to watch a couple of videos, and perhaps to engage with some of the material by reflecting on it in your own context, or we will ask you to comment on certain questions on a discussion board.
So the asynchronous part of the workshop, that participants can do that in their own time, whenever it suits them, and then we would all come together for some synchronous interaction.
That's right.
Right. So, and why have we chosen this format? Why this move to asynchronous, synchronous?
Yeah, good question, Christian. In our workshops, we're always trying to demonstrate the methods of delivery which we advocate you as GTAs implement yourselves. So when we used to meet in person, we would avoid giving long frontal lessons, as we don't think that these deliver very engaging learning opportunities for students. Now, in times when a lot of our teaching delivery has to be done online, we are attempting to adopt methods which we envisage to work well when you are physically separated from your students. There will be a mixture of readings, videos, discussion boards, and live meetings. But you will see that during the live meetings, we will concentrate on mainly interactive activities. You will not find us lecturing to you live. People who have a lot of experience with online education tell us that live lecturing is not really effective.
So in a way, we are showcasing the way many of us will teach in the year to come. Is that right?
Absolutely right. Well, we're still insisting on hopefully doing as we preach.
And what modules are we covering? So is it the same material as in previous years, or are we now only focusing on online teaching?
It's a mixture of both. There will be compulsory workshops on how to effectively teach and engage in small group environments, be they online or face-to-face. Another compulsory workshop will focus on the role GTAs have in the assessment and marking process and feedback, of course. Additional optional sessions will be offered for you on facilitating group work and using games and experiments, as well as on inclusive teaching. This year, we will also, for the first time, have an optional session for you on creating a learning community, which is an issue which will be a big challenge to all of us this coming year.
So both of us, Ralph and I, myself, will be presenting in some of those workshops, but we are joined by many, many colleagues from a range of different UK institutions and also with different amounts of experience. So some are very experienced and have run many, many training sessions, but often we are always also joined by younger colleagues who have already made their mark on the economics education scene. So what all of the presenters have in common is that they're super passionate about helping colleagues through this very difficult time.
Yes, I can certainly confirm that. I know a number of these colleagues well, and they're all super keen to help you all out. So, Christian, who should attend these workshops?
So our target audience really for this workshop are graduate teaching assistants, so GTAs. We are running a separate online workshop for young lecturers. But for this course, it is a GTAs. And if you complete a set of compulsory modules, you will also receive the GTA workshop certificate, which just certifies that you have attended this workshop. So these are extraordinary times, and we think that really all of us are learning at the moment, not just GTAs. So what we have done is we have opened up some of our modules, in particular the optional modules, to more experienced staff as well. So some of them may join you in those sessions as well from time to time. So Ralph, if someone is interested in participating, how should she or he book onto our workshop then?
The webpage from which you can get all the detailed information on the workshops and the links to the booking site is now showing on the screen. Remember that if you're working for an institution which is a subscriber to the Economics Network, these workshops will be for free. You can find a list of the institutions on that website as well. However, it is absolutely essential that you do register.
So maybe just in case anyone is watching this video but has never heard about the Economics Network before, maybe just 2 sentences to summarize who we are.
The Economics Network is a collection of economics faculty in the UK who are all super keen on wanting to enhance the quality of learning and teaching throughout the higher education sector. We run regular workshops, biannual conference, and provide through the website a wide range of super engaging online resources that should all help you to make your teaching experience even more exciting.
Excellent. So all what is left is to say that we hope to see many of you there on our workshops. And if you, of course, have any questions, do get in touch with the network.
See you.
See you then.